Ever been told you snore like a bear or woken yourself up with your own snoring? It might sound funny, but snoring is your body trying to breathe through a blocked path. When you sleep, the muscles in your throat relax. Sometimes they relax too much, causing the airway to narrow or even collapse slightly. As air tries to squeeze through, it vibrates the soft tissues, creating that familiar snoring sound. Common causes: nasal congestion, being overweight, drinking alcohol, or just sleeping on your back. But here's the good news. You can reduce snoring by sleeping on your side, elevating your head, or avoiding alcohol before bed. In some cases, a visit to a sleep specialist might be needed. So yeah, snoring isn't just noise. It's your body saying, "Help me breathe better."